Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to my another video. In today's video, you'll be able to make around $100 per hour by doing some simple stuff on the internet. This method works from everywhere in the world and you can be present in any country, you'll still be able to make money. This method is applicable for all the people who have access to an internet connection and know how to use a computer. I'm positive that since you are using this service of watching this video on YouTube, you sure have an internet connection, and since you can hear me, you definitely must also know English. So this is all which is needed. Now the method which I'm about to show you will make use of Google websites. Yes, you might have heard of Google websites. It's a free to use platform where you can create websites in a single click. So what we are going to do is we are going to use websites like Google sites as well as ClickBank to make money in this video. So let's get started. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now what you need to do is you need to search for Google sites on google.com and then it will take you to the first link. Now when you're onto this, it will ask you to create your first Google website. So in order to do that, you just have to click on this blank icon here. Now when you do that, it will take you to your first website and you have an option to make changes to that website. So now when you come to Google website, it will ask you to give your page a title, then you can change the background image. You can also add text modules to this, images to this, as well as other elements. So what information do you need to enter here? That's also very simple. So let's say I want to make money in weight loss niche, or I want to make money in weight gain niche. So what I need to do is I need to go back to Google and I need to search for weight loss or weight gain related articles. So I'm searching for how to gain weight and you can see that there are lots and lots of articles which are appearing here. So now what I need to do is I need to take any one of these articles and then take some content from it. So I like this one, so I'll take this heading, I'll copy it, I'll go to my website, I'll paste that heading, as simple as that. Now if you want to increase the size, if you want to increase the font or decrease the font, you can do that. You have full control over your website and it's so simple to edit that anyone can do that. Now as you can see that the background looks really nice. Now what I need to do is I need to also add a background image. So I'll go to a website called as Unsplash and search for fitness. And now I'll get lots and lots of images related to fitness. Now for me, this image looks relevant. So I'll be taking this image. And then I'll click on download free. And within a click, it will be downloaded for free. Now what I need to do is I need to click on change image and then I need to click on upload. Now after the image is uploaded, you can see that how powerful this image looks. Now in order to add some text here, I need to click on this text box icon and you can see that a text box icon is appearing here. So to add the text, what I'll do is I'll go back to this website and I'll copy this content. So to copy it, I'll just click on this copy button and I'll come here and I'll paste it here. So as you can see that my content is pasted here. Now once you have done that, you need to add a button so that you can add your affiliate link there. So to add a button, what you need to do is you need to click on this button tab here. So as you can see that there is this button tab here, I am adding it and I had to insert a name. So the label of my button should be click here to gain weight. And here I have to insert my link. Now how will I get my affiliate link? That's also very simple. Now in order to get your affiliate link, you need to go to a website called as ClickBank. So as you can see that now I am on ClickBank's website. So here I'll be able to find products related to weight gain. So what I'll do is I'll come here and I'll type in weight gain. And you can see that they have shown me lots and lots of products related to weight gain. And they are giving excellent commission. For example, this one, you can also click on this to check how its landing page looks like. That's my favorite part. I can actually see the offer which I am promoting. So you can see that they have a wonderful copy here and people can come to this website and then they can get their product or service, whatever they are doing. So what you need to do is just need to copy this link. So in order to get my affiliate link, I'll click on this promote button and I'll enter my account nickname here, and you can see that I'll earn 75% commission. Just imagine 75% commission for this product which costs $36. So I'll enter my account nickname here and I'll click on generate hop link. Now once my hop link is generated, I'll just click on this copy button here, and then I'll come back to my Google site and I'll paste this, and then I'll click on insert. As you can see that my button is inserted. So that's how simple it is to add a background image, your site title, then some description of the product, and then actual call to action button. Now if you want to make any kind of modifications, for example if you want to change this text, you can click on this edit button. If you want to make it an outline button, you can do that. You can even style them in the way you want. If you want to add anything else, for example if you want to add a table of content, an image carousel, a divider, a YouTube video, you can do all of those stuff. Now once you have done all of that, you just need to click on this publish button here and your website will be published. So in order for me to publish my website, I need to give it an address. So I'll add my address as so as you can see that this is going to be my address. I can copy it and then I'll click on publish. Now my website is published. All I need to do is I need to go to Google and search for this. So as you can see that now I'm on my website and you can see that it's working perfectly fine. Now if someone clicks on that, and they'll be taken to my affiliate URL. So now how do you actually promote your website so that you can start making money out of it, because people will not automatically come to your website. So for that, what you need to do is you need to join communities on Facebook groups which are related to weights as well as fitness. Now when you do that, you can go to those groups and start posting your articles as well as your links which you have created. For example, I've created this link here. So I'll use this link and I'll use this link to post in Facebook groups, in various other communities which are present on internet forums, and a lot of other places to start making money online. When traffic will come to this page, out of every 100 people you send here, you'll see that over 10 people are clicking on this link and 5 of them are actually purchasing the product. So when 5 people are purchasing the product, you get more than $100. And trust me, this whole thing is just going to take you not more than an hour. So this is the method using which you can easily make up to $100 per hour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.